everybody, it's Tiffany with Pronto Body Shop and welcome to the May edition of the Taco Report. I am super excited to be here today with Joe from Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. Hey Joe.
Hello, Miss Tiffany.
So Joe, if you did not know, has an amazing barbecue channel on YouTube and it's called Smokin Joe's, right?
Yes, Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue on YouTube.
So if you want to know how to barbecue and grill, because I don't even know how to really cook, to be realistic, let's be honest, and Javier, which is going to be on screen later because he totally is going to learn how to do some fajitas, I think, and what else are we going to learn today?
We're actually going to make some smoked portobello mushroom tacos and some beef fajita tacos. These beef fajita tacos actually won a contest about 18 years ago at Wet n Wild Water World.
Don't age yourself like that.
I know.
Let's not age.
18 years ago, it's hard to believe.
No, let's not age. Let's not talk about age here. So we're gonna eat some award-winning tacos, fajitas, tacos.
Fajita tacos.
Yes, awesome, wonderful. And then when I rolled in here, I was like, oh my gosh, Joe, there is a slab of murder on the counter. Which, if you haven't been with me, don't be offended, Smokin Joe followers. I just call meat murder, but I don't mean it offensively. It's actually not meat, this is a pineapple. And so I am actually really excited about the pineapple. It looks fabulous.
Yeah, we're gonna actually smoke this and put some vanilla ice cream on the top.
Oh my god, like this is, okay, so now you basically made my favorite YouTube channel ever. This is gonna be amazing. And so you also have some of your own spices, and this is what you've actually put on the pineapple and what you've seasoned the meat with, correct?
Yes, in fact, the mushrooms have this seasoning here, which is a garlic jalapeno seasonal from Victory Lake Barbecue. And then we also use some...
Wait, I want to go back to that one because I didn't tell you this. This is we're gonna test your cooking abilities.
All right.
Because I don't actually like mushrooms.
What?
I don't. so we're gonna see how good you are and how good these spices are with my reaction on how I like mushrooms.
Challenge accepted.
Challenge accepted. And so that wasn't very nice, but I didn't tell you that beforehand.
Wow.
Surprise. So that was all on camera surprise right there. And we also have, looks like some grilled veggies to go with it. And my camera crew, whoop whoop, has vegetarians on the crew as well. So we're gonna be excited about that. And then so we're gonna test your mushroom cooking skills with that spice. So now we can move on to the other spice after I surprised you with that.
Well, surprise. Well, at least we have pineapples.
No, you know what? I think I'm gonna like them. So tell me about what the other spices we have.
Yes, so I've got some beef rub and seasoning that I also put on the mushrooms. And on the pineapple, I've actually got some sassy apple rub. So
and
that's little apple flavoring in it.
That's what I have. And it's called a Victory Lake Barbecue and it's award winning. And I'm totally going to buy some of this and take it home because I'm going to learn how to cook today, sort of grill. We're going to learn how to grill today so I can actually feed myself and not just eat out all the time. So, you know. So just totally. So I think we're gonna head out. We've already seasoned the pineapple. No pineapples were harmed in the making of this. And we're gonna go and flip, I think, some meat, some mushrooms. So let's head on out to the grill.
Let's go outside, guys.
Okay, awesome. Okay, we're out here. We're going to put the meat on. Oh my God, I have to, this is what the entertaining part. I have to stab the meat. Oh my gosh.
Stab it hard so it doesn't fall on you. There you go. There you go.
And then we're gonna put it on the grill?
Yes, ma'am. Just like that. Perfect. You're a natural. You are a natural.
Okay, Javier, you can do the next one because I don't really want to touch it again. Here, I'll hold the bowl.
Find the end first.
Oh my. It's like a butchered animal.
It is.
It is a butchered animal. Ah! I don't want it to touch me.
There you go.
If you want to be truthful, Javier's a horrible grill master.
Look at that.
So we're gonna
doing good.
So what do you do when you can't fit it on? You just flip it over?
Yeah. Room. You make room. There's always room.
We're good. We're now in my level of cooking. We're going to pull the mushrooms out. And then we're going to flip them. Okay, and I was just given some grill etiquette that if it has juices, flip it in the middle so I don't get juice everywhere.
Those look good.
Yeah, these are, guys, I'm a meat eater, and mushroom tacos are by far my favorite taco, and you guys are going to get to experience it.
I mean, they look delicious, but I'm not convinced yet.
Okay.
We will see what happens. But you know, with everything, the right seasoning and the right spices makes the food. It really does.
Yeah. So this has olive oil and some of the rubs and some Worcestershire sauce as well.
Delicious. And you see all these grills? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like 10 grills out here plus inside. So I think it's safe to say Joe is a pit master. Even though Joe doesn't call himself a pit master, we're gonna call him a pit master because you have more barbecue grills back here than I have ever seen in one place. I mean, they do sort of look like little hamburger buns that have been cooked.
So when we're cooking, Tiffany, there's this thing called Pitmaster privilege.
Okay, and is this a privilege that I'm getting to pull it off the grill?
So the privilege is that you have to cut a little piece off and taste it yourself
taste
first.
it.
That's what we call the Pitmaster privilege.
I need a knife then.
No, just grab the tongs and yank a little piece off. There you go.
Now remember, okay, so I gotta. I like. Is it hot?
It's a little hot.
All right, that's good.
Like it?
It doesn't really taste like mushrooms at all. That's good. You know what? The spices on that are amazing.
Yeah, once we build them in a taco with the cheese and the avocado and the salsa, it's gonna really turn them up a notch.
Okay.
So what you want to do is go ahead and grab one of the mushrooms out.
I feel like this taco is gonna be for me. I'm gonna want this little thinner mushroom.
Okay. So then let me see the tongs here.
It's gonna teach me how to.
Just like that.
Okay, I feel like there's some technique there.
A little
Flip
bit.
up and down.
Yeah, just like a rocking motion. Just like that. So let's cut some for 3 tacos.
Okay.
Nice and soft. Alright. So for the taco, Miss Tiffany,
Okay.
these taco holders here. You want to grab your
He's obviously fancier than me.
tortilla.
Yum.
And these are just softly fried, they're not hard shell.
So just extra olive to stop our heart, right?
Olive oil. Yep. So then you want to scoop some of the mushrooms in there. Just like this.
I like it when we do taco report for People Feed Me. This is a good idea.
It's a really good idea.
It's a really good idea.
So then you want to put a wedge of avocado in there?
Yes, I do. These are going to be mine, so I'm going to touch them with my finger.
There you go, that's perfect.
I would have eaten them and eaten some of their finger.
We are still on film, you know
Right.
that, right? The extra commentary from Javier in the back.
So then go ahead and select your salsa.
Okay, so you made these, right?
I made the salsa. This is sour cream. I didn't make that.
Okay.
But the 2 salsas
So we have sour cream, so I need sour cream on that, but then I'm going to taste the salsa. So the red salsa is the hottest one, you said.
Yes.
My whiteness was in question over here a minute ago with the level of hotness I can take. So I'm going.
That's not hot at all.
That's not
Is it?
true.
That is not hot.
That was very tasty. I mean, I need to taste both of them first.
Okay.
Don't pressure me. Oh.
You can do it.
That one's good too. Ooh, that one does have a little bit of a kick. We're gonna give a little bit of salsa on those. And then I want some green one too. Because that one just has a little bit of spice. Yes, I'm being a wussy. Because that is pretty hot.
That's perfect though. Because you do want to taste the...
Because I want a little bit of spice. And then I want some green on there.
You're a pro, Tiffany.
I'm a jack of all trades, master of none. Okay, and
Sour
then,
cream?
of course, yes, sour cream and cheese. Okay, these look delicious.
Look at that. Thumbnail.
Thumbnail. Martha Stewart better watch out. Here I come. It's all about the editing.
There you go.
Okay.
So then you want to grab the cheese and
Okay.
just sprinkle it out all over the place.
Okay.
Like, don't be shy with
And
cheese.
I got part of the salsa in the
That's don't
cheese.
worry about it.
I'm all.
Look at you.
I'm all. These look amazing. Right. Okay, and then are we gonna squeeze lime on them?
Squeeze some lime.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
That looks delicious.
Are you ready for this?
I am. I'm ready. I'm ready to be proven wrong.
Okay. So go ahead and grab your taco.
Okay. Mama, which one looks? I want this one in the middle.
Perfect.
Because the middle child never gets any love, so I feel like the middle taco is the same way.
I'll take this one.
Okay. Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers to delicious tacos.
Here we go.
Those are good. So for a person that doesn't like mushrooms, those are delicious. The salsa, the spices, oh, and we do. So make sure if you want some of Joe's amazing spices, go to victorylanebarbecue.com, right?
Correct.
And use the discount code Smokin Joe's.
Smokin Joe's without the G, no commas, no spaces, no nothing. You'll get 10% off your entire order.
Which I'm gonna have to do that before I go, because these are delicious. They're really good.
Oh yeah?
If you wanna come in and get one, we'll share.
Man, these are amazing.
Of course I want one.
I'm telling you, I'm a meat eater, and I won't eat this over meat. Right?
Yeah, it satisfies the beast, you know?
So if you're a vegetarian, I highly approve these, and if you're a meat eater, you should totally check these out. I approve it too. And that red salsa is spicy, but it's good. It really is.
It is perfect.
Oh, come on. Are you ready to cut some murder?
Yes. So when you slice a skirt meat,
Okay.
you can see the grains running this way. So you don't want to cut this way. You want to cut it this way here. So what you need to do,
So opposite of where this lines are.
yeah. So you have to find out how long you want your meat.
Okay.
So I like it maybe 3-4 inches. So just cut it in half like that.
Okay.
Then turn it and slice this way, real thin slices. Just like that. Real nice and thin.
I don't know about this. He tried to get me to want to eat a bite of it. It does smell really good.
It's the devil baby.
You think this cow had a name?
It was a girl.
Oh, Adi says this is a girl cow.
That's what he said. I was like, how do you know? So, you want to give it a shot?
Okay.
Alright, so let me turn it around so you know how to, see if you know how to slice it.
Throwing me. Oh, let's see. I mean, I can tell sand marks on a car, so I hope I can tell gray marks on me.
Alright.
So, then we're gonna cut it right. Am I in the right direction, right?
Nice and thin.
Wait, it's really like, I can't do it, Joe. It's cutting through flesh. Oh, maybe because I was cutting that with the
piece right there.
I know I was cutting the board. I think
So let
was
me
the
show you
problem.
a knife technique.
Yes, show me the knife technique.
I was always the guy that put my finger on top
Yes.
of the knife like this.
Okay.
So you hold it like this.
Okay, so I hold it
And
like,
yeah.
and cut it like salt
Yeah. Use a little bit of pressure. Put your fingers on the blade.
on the blade. Okay, so put your fingers on the
There
blade.
you go. And then just kind of saw.
Okay, I give it over to you, Javier. I can't cut the meat. I'm all, and it's freaking me out. I'm all, this is all your world here. You're gonna show him how to hold, let Joe do that. You show him how to hold the knife.
I mean, a lot of people use it. Oh, you got lefty.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Perfect.
Oh.
Or the left.
Is that like, what's
That's
the,
Charles.
is that your Julia Child impression? Let's hear it
Is
again.
that what that was?
Yeah.
I was like, is that Julia behind me?
Let's hear your Julia Child
I
impression.
refuse to.
No, you don't, you're not
Nazi
a,
sympathizer and spy.
But I'll let you build the taco.
The fajita meat.
My girlfriend Vanessa would love this.
Vanessa?
From L&J's Cafe.
Oh, look at that.
Right. We should have brought her to do
Yeah, right.
the testing.
So in this one,
What's your recommendation?
you guys all like sour cream?
I'm on, I just answer for everything. That's how it works in Pronto Body Shop. You don't get to have your own opinion, I have it for you. Delicious. I'm gonna eat a taco of grilled peppers and onions here in a minute. It's gonna be fabulous.
A little bit of each to each taco. Like that. And then, I don't know how much salsa you guys want, but
I'm all, come on over, Javier and Oscar, jump on into this.
I'm just gonna put a little bit in there.
Ooh, they want you to hurt later. I say that because you're half Puerto Rican, Javier, and I know. Get on over there. Do you want lime on yours or no lime on yours?
Let him do his magic.
Okay.
You guys all like lime?
He doesn't like lime usually.
Do your thing.
Alright, I'm gonna leave the last one without lime. Alright,
Did you put cheese on them?
no cheese. Unless
No
you want
cheese.
Not a fajita, so.
I'm gonna grab this.
Camera guy? Is he gonna come in?
Jumping in now.
Hi, shy. Person.
Cheers, guys.
Yeah, it's cooked perfectly.
Real tender.
Okay, how do you pick a good piece of meat?
It all depends.
So it has to do with the meat and the spices and the cooking, right?
So when you look for if you're buying steak, you want to look for good marbling in the steak. You don't
What
want
is
it.
marbling?
Marbling is fat that runs through the meat.
Okay.
It's gonna help.
So like the fat on my arms if we were to cut a piece of meat off of
Yes.
meat? Okay, gotcha.
If we were stranded on an island, if we had to eat a piece of our body,
Your arm?
go for your arm. No, but yeah. So when you buy meat, look for fat inside the meat. You don't want it like solid red.
Uh-huh.
It's gonna be a tough piece of meat.
Okay, so you want that little bit of fat lines
Yes.
in the meat.
Absolutely.
Gotcha. So my girlfriend Alex, if we were stranded on an island because she's super skinny and has no fat, we would not eat her. We would eat me first, probably. So that's a little disconcerting. So, okay. Well, you know what, Joe? This was amazing.
Do you want to try the meat?
No! Yeah. No! Like, I was like, maybe that little piece, but it freaks me out. I mean,
Okay, which one, baby? That one?
okay. Crisis averted. Javier ate the meat. No, I don't think I could put it in my mouth.
No.
No, I mean, I am sure it is delicious. The spices were delicious. I now officially like mushrooms with that seasoning on it, but I don't think I could put this in my mouth. I'm too freaked out by it.
Well, we got plenty of mushrooms left.
We do have plenty of mushrooms, and we're gonna go and eat some more. But remember to make sure y'all follow Smokin' Joe's Pit Barbecue
Smokin' Joe's Pit Barbecue.
on YouTube, and make sure you follow Pronto Body Shop and all of our social media. And if you're not on our newsletter, make sure and ask us how to get on our newsletter so you get our Tucker report first each month, so you don't have to wait for our extra ridiculousness that we have. And we're gonna put a code at the bottom, so make sure y'all go to the Victory Lane Barbecue site and use the Smokin' Joe's code without the G, right?
Without the G.
For the 10%, so you can actually have some delicious barbecue. And make sure we'll catch us next month, and we'll see you then. Thanks, Joe.
I do have
Oh.
some shirts for you guys.
Oh, awesome! Wait, so
Can you throw those to me?
yes, so I have officially the thing on.
Look at this. So I got a shirt for you and for Javier.
Awesome.
Awesome.
So there's one for you.
And do you sell these?
I do sell them.
And if you love Smokin' Joe's Barbecue, you can have an awesome shirt that basically says, if you're wearing eating this and barbecuing, it basically claims that you're a pit master, I think.
Yeah.
It is. So you know you need this. So is this on your YouTube website? How do we get this?
I'm not there yet.
He's
If you
getting
just
there.
Send me a message on YouTube and we'll get together and I'll ship you sure.
Awesome. Wonderful. So y'all catch us next month because you never know what we're going to be doing or where we'll be at. Thanks, guys.
See you guys.